Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and this is Easy Peasy DIY Organizing. If you are new to my channel, I'd love to have you click that subscribe button so you don't miss another organizing video. This is a collab put together by Christina at the DIY Mommy, and there will be a playlist below. You want to check her out and check out her amazing channel and her amazing DIYs. I'm not such a big DIYer, but I do like to do easy peasy DIY, and I want to show you some of the things around the house that I have done. Okay guys, I have been on a mission since I started my YouTube channel a couple of years ago to declutter and organize my whole entire house and get it back into shape. But this year I want to prettify all the spaces because I pretty much decluttered most spaces with the exception of my Monica closet. And I want to go back and prettify the spaces that have not yet been prettified. But I am going to show you what I have done so far. Okay, for one of my most favorite DIYs that I have done, organizing DIYs, is this vanity. It used to be in my library, and it was just one of those, press board cabinets you can get from Walmart. And this is the first time I used chalk paint to redo something, and oh my god, it was definitely easy peasy. To see the full video on how I made over this vanity, I will put the link down below. This is another item that I repurposed. I encourage you to look at the things that you have in your home to use them in a different way. So this is, a file thing that you would put on your desk, and I just painted it white, not the whole thing, and I'm using it to hold some of my makeup and my hair dryer. Easy peasy. Okay, in my vanity, I store mostly yarn, and I have saved all of my oatmeal containers and organized my yarn this way. That way the skeins of yarn don't get tangled up in each other and be a jumbled mess. You can see I still have a few more bins to organize. Here, need to eat some more oatmeal. Here is an easy way to add lighting. These are just some puck lights that turn on by the touch of your finger, and I am not a great, DIYer as far as adding lighting and stuff, so this is something that was easy peasy. Okay, here again, not exactly a DIY, but I really like this. It's intended to be a jewelry cabinet for a little girl, but I liked how cute it was and how whimsical it was, and so I just repurposed it to put some of my makeup stuff in. One of the other ways I like to organize is by using these boxes that you find at Michael's or Ross or Marshall's, and I wait till they are on sale, and I use those instead of the Dollar Tree bins, and I like to hand make my own labels. I think that gives it a personal touch. The other thing I have used are oatmeal containers, and I just covered them with scrapbooking paper, and I store some of my craft items. This happens to have clothespins in them. Okay, this is not really a DIY, but I was on the hunt for a sewing basket and I did not like any of the sewing baskets I saw. And I found this. It's actually a jewelry box. So think outside of the box, and you don't need to use things what they were initially intended for. Think outside of the box and how you can use them differently in your home. I thought this was so cute and it matched my craft room, and it works very well. I'm not a big sewer, so I just have a few items here. On to my bathroom, and I'm actually going to redo this in a future video, but I want to show you what I have done underneath the cabinet. So these are one of those 3-drawer things that you can buy at Walmart, but I prettified the space by sticking some craft booking paper in the fronts of the drawers. But this makes really easy peasy organized. So if you need something, you just pull out the drawer, set it on the counter, and then put it back in when you're done. Easy peasy. Okay, over on this side I have just some Dollar Tree baskets, and I prettified them by just taping a piece of scrapbook paper to the fronts of it and then adding a personally written label. Again, easy peasy. Okay, this is a cabinet that I have repurposed probably 5 times, which means I repainted it 5 different times. First it was a navy blue and it was a hutch in my dining room. And then I brought it into my son's room and painted it, I think, like a maroon color to match his bedroom. Then I painted it blue and yellow to match my office in my previous house, and now I painted it this turquoise and white to match my guest room colors. And this cabinet is probably about almost 30 years old. You can see that the drawers stick a little bit, so yeah, so I need to work on that, and I need to work on organizing these drawers. But I lined the bottoms of the drawer and the back of the cabinet with material, and it's just velcroed in there in case I change my mind and want to paint it again. Okay guys, I hope that gives you some ideas on how to prettify and organize your space all at the same time, and possibly repurpose some items that you have in your home that you were thinking of getting rid of. Yeah, repurpose them. You can do it. A little bit of chalk paint and voila, you might have a new vanity like I do. I've been wanting a vanity forever, and I really like that space. That's again one of my favorite DIYs, along with the cabinet in my guest room, which needs finished. So stay tuned guys. Don't forget to check out the playlist below and watch all the other people in the collab and all their DIYs. Until next time guys, enjoy your day.